Hello everyone. This is my second session on my topic security issues with your privacy. In my previous session, I discussed something about prevention technique for your privacy. I discussed something about a basic idea or the generalized idea of the Tor network, the most anonymous network that um, people are using. And I also told you that Tor doesn't give you the complete anonymity over the network. It will give you the partial anonymity. It will not give you, the complete anonymous profile of yourself over the network, but it can give you the certain amount of anonymity so that local censorship or the local organization cannot track you. Um, in this session, I want to discuss about the Tor installation, how to configure it, and various other aspects of Tor. Okay, so I also recommended that you don't install such type of anonymous network in your host operating system, because this is somehow what can you say, it's not a good idea actually. Anyone can track. Somehow this host operating system is completely in the updation with their operating system company. Like if you are using Windows, then your Windows operating system is somehow connected little bit with the Microsoft services, and that can leak your somehow the information about that you are using Tor, and that's not a good idea. So that's why we use somehow extra layer of protection that is known as virtualized environment. And I have my this Debian system running, so I'll type my password, that is 1234567 8. Okay. Okay, one more thing that is really very important, that when you install this Debian system, you are having I think you are having root over here, that is somehow the root user. It's an administrator account. You should use another account that you can see I had made it test. This is somehow not complete root. This is not complete administrator. This is somehow the partial, what you can say, it's standard actually. The mediator of standard and mediator of administrator. So it can be used as is non-root, and also can be used as root. You can see over here my command prompt. Where is that? Yeah. So where is that thing? Yeah, this you can see. I can show you in my next terminal. So I have this terminal live and running. You can see this prompt. This is a non-sudo. This is not the complete root. This is sudo. So if I want to go into the root part, so I'll just type su, and it will ask my password. So I'll type 1234567 8, and you can see authentication failure. Okay, I got it. So I just need to do some sudo thing. I think it will not give me that. uh, yeah, so you can see this is the root prompt over here. This is non-root, and this is root. So I can swap things like root and non-root and then root again. But with this Tor network, I specifically recommend that you install and you do certain things with non-root prompt. So we'll exit from this root option and we get back to our non-root thing. Okay. Next thing, to install the Tor in our Debian system, Tor can be downloaded from this website, Tor download. And please don't use any third-party website for installation or for downloading this Tor network. I'm sorry for this, slow internet connection, because this is Tor browser. Tor is specifically very slow because it is an encrypted network. It have to reach to the destination by making encryption network. Okay, so it go by hope, but with encryption. So it definitely will be a slow network. I'll give my Iceweasel network. This is a Mozilla Firefox. This is also a Mozilla Firefox, but extended Mozilla Firefox. This is an upgrade version of Firefox. Okay, so I'll just use this website, this Tor download website, in my normal Firefox. It will be pretty much fast actually. Tor browser. This is also slow, so this is my network problem actually. Let me see. Oh, I got it. Actually don't have that internet connection running. Okay, now it will be fine. There you go. Okay, so Tor can be downloaded from this torproject.org. Project shows torbrowser.html. So we just right click over here, open with a new link, and then you can easily download from here. Okay, so this is specifically, this has been detected that I'm using a GNU Linux, so it will be downloaded from here. So if you are using window, then window option will come. Okay, so once you download it, I already downloaded it, so I'm here in so I'll show you actually. Let me close this all. Okay, so my Tor browser is right now in download, so I go with download ls cd tor. Inside that I have cd tor. Inside that I think I have my browser. Okay, so this is start for tor browser.desktop. So this is the application, or this is the Firefox. So I'll start with dot slash and start, and it will start my browser. Okay, so this is establishing a connection. So I discussed something about Tor circuit yesterday. I hope you remember that. Okay, okay. So this is your Tor browser. This is the Onion circuit, and this is completely enhanced version of Mozilla Firefox. So how can we deal it with? Is somehow you can see over here, this is new identity, security settings, Tor network settings, and this is the browser update. First thing I want to tell you something about this. Where is it? Preferences, and I'll show you the proxy that Tor is using. Settings, and you can see manual proxy configuration. Tor uses some proxy configuration, and you can see this is SOX proxy, localhost and the port 9150. So it is listening on 9150 with SOX version 5 proxy, and we are using that. Okay. Next thing is new identity, not this new identity. This will give you that identity, but let me search something on this Firefox. Let's say I want to search for what is a computer. Okay, this is pretty much cool search. So I search what is a computer, and a Webopedia definition. Okay, so this is I get. Now I go with the next tab. Okay, so this link, you can see what is a computer. I can show you the circuit that I told you yesterday. See, Tor circuit. So this is my browser that I'm using. This is that Tor browser, and my first relay, as I told you about the first router, this is coming from Ireland. You can see the IP address. Second is in Romania, its IP address, and third is Sweden 185. This is IP address, and fourth is Webopedia. We discussed this specifically in my previous session, that there will be three relay node or three routers: first one, second one, third one, and your website destination. This is me as in client destination, and three routers. You can see easily. Okay, now in the next tab I want to check that Tor is working properly or not. So I go with check Tor. Check Tor is having this link where I can see that Tor is working properly or not. So you can see, congratulations, this browser is configured to use Tor, and your IP address appears to be 185.220.1.20. Now this IP address, as I told you in my previous session, is the relay exit node. You can see, we'll go with this Google image, Tor circuit. Yesterday we had seen this. and I hope I can find that image again so that I give you that generalized idea again. This is so slow. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is completely. So this is first, second, and three. Okay. Okay, let me see this. Okay. First one, second one, and third one. So this is again, where is it? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, fine. This is easy somehow. And as I told you, this one, this exit node is the last node, and it is unencrypted with destination. So you can see, so destination knows about this IP address. That's why you can see here, this is the IP address of the exit relay node, and I can specifically check this out here. See, Germany is having 185.220.101.20. So this the same IP address. So this is my last, relay node, that is this one exit node, and anyone can see this. This is somehow the this part, this complete part, Germany to Tor Project.org. This is the unsafe zone, as I told you yesterday. Okay, next thing is JavaScript is in disabled. See, this is disabled, so I have to enable it somehow. JavaScript has to be sorry, it has to be disabled, because JavaScript, with the help of JavaScript enable, cross site scripting, that is another kind of hacking thing that can be done with browser. So anyone can install or inject JavaScript and can find many more important and personal information from your browser or from your system. So it has to be disabled. So JavaScript is disabled, and it is the no script add-on. This is somehow for this one, JavaScript is disabled. Okay, next thing is, there is something called as new identity and new Tor circuit for this site. There is a pretty much difference in between these two. New identity means, if I click on new identity, this everything, that is history, cache, my IP informations, and everything is going to be changed with this new identity. My browser is completely shut down and restart again with this new identity. But if I go for new Tor circuit for this site, it will just change this circuit. This circuit will be changed. You can see Ireland, Germany, and Germany. If I go over here and new Tor circuit for this site, you will see that circuit is going to be changed here. You can see Ireland, Germany, and France. Easy. Okay, if I go with new identity, my browser is, you can see it will close all windows and tabs and restart the Tor browser. So it will restart again, and if I go with check Tor, the circuit is again going to be changed here. Ireland, Germany, Germany, and IP address are somehow changed completely. So this is the configurations. And again, one more thing that is very important over here, you can see security settings. It has to be in safest, not in standard. By default it comes in standard, but you have to swipe it up to the safest. Safest means only allows website features required for static sites and basic services. It is something like, JavaScript will be disabled, add-ons will be disabled, no data extractions can be done with the help of Google or any other website that take your data. So this is the most safest side of Tor, so you have to swap up to the safest. Okay, next thing is Tor network settings. Okay, if government, your India, your nation, sorry, if your nation or the government organization is blocking your Tor, then you can use something called as bridge. Bridge is nothing but another kind of proxy settings. With the help of bridge, you can use Tor. Then you can specifically use any kind of proxy here, SOX5 HTTPS, to use proxy over the Tor network. Or you can use, if you having a firewall problem, then you can use open port 18.443 for HTTP and HTTPS, and you can use, or you can bypass the firewall. Okay, so this is my somehow the configurations of Tor. Thank you so much for listening me.